Here's how you can upload a membership list from an Excel spreadsheet. From your main dashboard, click on the Memberships module, then click Manage Members. From the Manage Members area, click the link Import Members. This will then give you a window where you will need to download a template because you need to upload them into a template. So you would download the template, which is a CSV file similar to an Excel document. Once you download it, you'll open up the file. Then you will put in the membership information into the file. Make sure you put it in for each member. You will need to make sure that you put a phone number or an email for each one. It does not have to be both, just one or the other, as well as a member type that must be recognized by your state PTA, and then the school year ending. The school year ending, for example, if it's a 2021-22 membership, make sure you would put 2022. Once you have put in the member's information, save it as a CSV, and then close it. And then you'll come back into Member Hub, check the boxes that these contacts are expecting to hear from your organization, and you did not purchase this list or get it from a third party. Then you'll click Add CSV, import the file, and then click Import. Once your file has been imported, you will receive an email shortly thereafter with results on the import. If there were any errors, you will see that in the attachment in the email to let you know which ones had errors so that you can try those again separately.